Have you ever reached for a snack and wondered if it's really fueling your body the way it should? In this video, we explore the world of healthy snacks and how making smart choices can provide sustained energy, support weight management, and enhance overall well-being. Not all snacks are created equal. Many packaged options are loaded with added sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients that lead to energy crashes and unwanted weight gain. Instead, opting for nutrient-dense alternatives can stabilize your blood sugar, keep hunger at bay, and give you the long-lasting energy you need throughout the day. Healthy snacks work by combining key nutrients such as fiber, protein, and healthy fats, which together help maintain steady energy levels and prevent the roller coaster of spikes and crashes associated with sugary treats. For example, pairing apple slices with a tablespoon of almond butter delivers natural sugars along with protein and heart-healthy fats, ensuring you feel fuller for longer. Likewise, a small bowl of Greek yogurt mixed with berries not only offers a burst of antioxidants but also provides a solid dose of protein and probiotics, aiding digestion and supporting your immune system. Planning and preparing your snacks ahead of time can make a big difference in your daily nutrition. By creating snack packs with a mix of colorful vegetables, hummus, or even a homemade trail mix featuring nuts, seeds, and dried fruit, you can avoid impulsive choices when hunger strikes. These pre-portioned, nutrient-rich snacks help prevent overeating at meal times, keeping your overall calorie intake in check while still providing the energy you need to power through your day. Moreover, healthy snacking doesn't mean sacrificing flavor or convenience. With a bit of creativity, you can turn everyday ingredients into delicious, wholesome treats. Consider roasting chickpeas with your favorite spices for a crunchy, savory alternative to chips. Or blend a quick smoothie with spinach, banana, and a scoop of protein powder for an energizing option after a workout. Don't forget that hydration also plays a crucial role. Pairing your snack with a glass of water or herbal tea can further boost your energy and aid digestion. In summary, choosing healthy snacks is a key part of a balanced diet that fuels your body and supports long-term health. By replacing processed, high-sugar options with nutrient-rich alternatives, you can stabilize your energy levels, improve digestion, and even support your weight management goals. In this video, we share practical snack ideas, delve into the science behind their benefits, and offer tips for seamlessly integrating them into your daily routine. Get ready to transform the way you snack and discover smart choices that keep you energized and satisfied throughout the day.